people are getting excited about Baidu. This company's trading on our market, but I believe it's a Chinese company. So it's not headquartered here, but it is going up, up, and up. And people are pretty excited about Ernie. You might be thinking to yourself, what in the world is Ernie? What in tarnation is a Baidu? And why is it up almost 10% today? It's because of AI and the new competition in AI. Baidu stock jumps 15% as the Chinese internet giant says it's readying its answer to ChatGPT. Shares in Baidu surged to highs unseen since 2021 after the company said it's on track to roll out its ChatGPT competitor, Ernie bot, in March, so about a month away for posterity's sake. Baidu plans to make Ernie available as a standalone application first and gradually merge it into its search engine by incorporating chatbot-generated results when users make search requests. ChatGPT is not available in China, though, giving Baidu a clear run at market compared with US companies. So obviously, you have to examine the competition. ChatGPT clearly has the first mover advantage, kind of a blue ocean strategy, but technically Baidu could still be the first mover in China, which has a lot more people. Interesting things there because okay, how's the government going to be involved? Obviously, they're going to be involved, especially over there in China. But I just wanted to let you guys know about Baidu. I wanted to let you know about the stock, BIDU. I wanted to let you know that it was Ernie's now in competition with ChatGPT, and it should be running out in roughly a little bit over a month. We're going to see it in March of 2023, but they're not the only one. Google just took the wraps off its long-awaited ChatGPT rival, Meet Bard. So we have ChatGPT, we have Bard, and we have Ernie. So the CEO of Google unveiled Google's Bard AI service, which he described as an experimental conversational AI service. In other words, it's Google's new competitor to ChatGPT. Bard would be opened up to trusted testers starting Monday and would be made widely available to the public in the coming weeks. So basically, Bard and Ernie, they're hitting the street basically March of 2023. So I would argue that Bard here is in more direct competition with ChatGPT just because it's going to be obviously US focused, but we'll see how everything ends up falling. Bard would draw in information from the web to provide what he called fresh, high quality responses. So I thought this was interesting just because we know ChatGPT from OpenAI, its entire data set and its trading model was on information up to 2021, but it sounds like Bard is going to have like new information and timely information. So I'm curious to see now that the battle's really starting to heat up. I mean, clearly ChatGPT was the first mover. So that's a big advantage, a big advantage. But as other competitors are rolling out products, I'm curious to see who's going to win. Right now, I think the smart money's on ChatGPT just because that's how strong of a blue ocean strategy like the world is. But then if you consider Ernie having access to all of China and if the government doesn't step in too much, there's a couple things to consider. But overall, I think the best way to sum up Ernie, Bard, and ChatGPT is the fact that AI is here to stay. It's been around for a while. Now it's like officially going mainstream. And every single day on my short videos, whether I'm watching on TikTok or if I'm on Twitter reading or if I'm watching videos on Rumble or YouTube or whatever it may be, I'm seeing so much more, so much more. And that's just telling me that this industry, I wouldn't say it's new, but I would argue that it's just now going mainstream. I don't think its popularity is going to dissipate by any means. This is one of those moments in various technical revolutions where you just kind of get on the boat and like you try to learn it as rapidly as you can, because I by no means think this is going to be a fad. But with all that being said, I would love to get your thoughts on who you think is going to win. Are you still pulling for ChatGPT? Are you pulling for Google's Bard? Or are you going to pull for Baidu's Ernie? Or do you think there's going to be a whole new one that's going to end up being better than anything that is currently available to the public? Let me know.